Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Facebook name. First, navigate to your settings, then locate the personal information section. You will then find the option to edit your name. It is a straightforward process, but understanding the guidelines will help you avoid any issues. We will cover each step in detail, ensuring you can update your profile confidently and correctly, making sure your new name is exactly what you desire. Facebook has specific rules regarding name changes you need to know. You can only change your name once every 60 days, so choose carefully. Avoid using excessive punctuation, unusual capitalization, or numerical characters in your name. Additionally, your chosen name must reflect your real identity and comply with Facebook's community standards, ensuring a respectful and authentic online environment for everyone. To begin, open your Facebook application or website and navigate to the Settings and Privacy menu. From there, select Settings, then proceed to Personal and Account Information. Tap on Name and carefully enter your desired first, middle, and last names into the respective fields. Before finalizing, review your changes carefully, then save them by entering your Facebook password. This confirms your new identity on the platform. Sometimes, a name change might be rejected if it does not meet Facebook's stringent guidelines. If this happens, do not worry, you have options. You can usually appeal the decision by submitting identification documents that verify your real name. Always double-check that your desired name aligns with Facebook's real name policy to prevent any future issues, ensuring a smooth and successful update to your profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.